Hello everybody, Dan Matichik here, the parrot pilot, and here with Kylie Bird. She's one of our 5 small parrots that we have, all adult. I've just become fascinated with the whole line of mud duck aviation plans that are there, and mudduckaviation.com. And Greg, the owner, has been very helpful. And I got 2 more sets of plans. And right now I'm working on Agri-Duck, and the Agri-Duck is it's a combination of a crop duster and a mud duck. You can imagine if you put the 2 together. But I actually have a small electric motor and the electronics, and I thought it would be a cool project in the meantime to just put one of these together. So I went to the Agri-Duck Sport, which is a 75% reduced version of the Agri-Duck. Proudest moment of my life.
I'm glad you didn't try and fly this first.
What's the deal?
Just everything I got just to keep it.
Okay.
Come over and take a look myself.
Little on the squirrely side?
Well, it's tail heavy, very, very tail heavy, so I'm pulling a lot of forward.
Got in there power-wise, motor or battery.
3-cell 11-volt lithium power battery, 20, maybe 20,000 milliamp battery.
And the motor is that 370 with the gear drive. With, you know the ratio on that? Yeah. Seems to have more than enough power, huh? Very tight turns.